Hey guys, it's me Adam back on Essential, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial on how to make an easy paper art, the clown mask. So, like all my paper crafts, I'm going to start with a plain white A4 paper, and I'll be folding it in half so as to mirror whatever I draw on one side to the other side. So, this one looks pretty cool. It's like an evil demon Joker, you know. Anyways, so we're gonna start with a reference from Google. So first of all, I'll do the layout, and then I'll add the bloody, gory details later on. So yeah, let's start. It's a pretty simple looking mask, if I'm being honest. It's got curve right there. That goes to the cheekbone. There it is. And the eyes are somewhere right there. We'll add the details later on. I'm just checking it out. It's got a weird witch nose. And by the looks of things, I just need to cut out the eyes and the not eyes portion. The hardest thing looks like it's going to be making the nose. Let's ignore that for the time being and draw the mouth. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So let me quickly cut it out and I'll see when that's done. Alright, so it looks like this right now. Not that great, but once we design it, it's going to be better. So let's start with some of these. I'll use this to protect my table. Okay, I should have done something different right there. Just hold on a second, I'll use some black A4. Alright, so I added those pieces of black A4. So let's move on and design the eyes and the mouth. Alright, so there's a mark like this, just above and below the eyes. Alright, and an eyebrow. That I'll use my pencil. Alright, now we are ready to design the mouth. Okay, there's the mouth makeup. I need a more detailed image. Let me see if I can find one. So there it is. I think that looks alright. Alright, so there's a couple of teeth in that area. I'll quickly design it and I'll see when it's all done. Alright, so far it's turning out pretty decently. Finished designing, coloring the mouth. Now I'm doing the extra designing stuff, which is pretty unnecessary. Don't really have to do this bit, but I wanted to, so here we are. Anyways, that's that. Now that's the mask. I think I'll call it quits at that. I could add a bit more design right around there. Alright, and then we have our nose. So I cut out a piece like this by tracing it out and expanding a little bit on the sides. I think I will add some design on this one as well. Alright, that's enough. So, next up would be attaching this onto our main mask itself. So let's do that. Just like that. So, let's take it, oops. The new tape. I don't have any tape though. Let me quickly fix this real quick. Alright, so I'm adding the nose now. So just attach these two pieces, then the third will automatically fold the entire thing. just the way you want it. Like that. Alright, there you go. We have a breathing hole as well now. Not bad. Looks a bit like Haneki Ken's mask from Tokyo Ghoul. Actually, I need to quickly redo this one. I don't like it. No shame in that. Alright, there it is. Our mask, Art the Clown. Actually, a couple more things left to do. Like, for example, this guy right there. Like this guy right there, I mean this fold. It's like sculpting but with paper, so you just add that fold there, perhaps one right around there, maybe a bit lower. Now that looks good. On the other side as well. Awesome. Now if you want, you can add a couple more details, which is like a cloth you wrap around your head and above which you can add this mask. Or other things you can add is a strap, for example, which I have prepared right here. I can add this strap like that. Around the head. Or you can add the tiny little black hat, which would be a nice design actually, but I'm not going to do that today. Just fixing a couple of things just like that. There you go. That's our finished product. Art the Clown mask. Looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So perfect for your Halloween outing. Actually, one more thing. I've got this brain. I think it would suit with it. Nah, it doesn't look that good. It doesn't look as good as I thought. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.